Alright, I know that I'm not such a damn cheap son of a bitch, but see, one of the fucking things that I hate when I go to these events is that this fucking bottle of water, $2.50. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mr. Tuttle. Come on, Bert. Jesus Christ, man. $2.50. $5 for a little tiny bottle of water. And I could have just walked right over there and got my own damn water. But I figured, hey, we're right here. $2.50. You know, it's shit like that that makes me not want to come to these damn events.
Oh boy. It is a 1966 Triumph TR6 SC trophy. I was riding the brake bar, because it's rear brake only, and somewhere I have the piece. The brake bar broke. I had absolutely no brakes whatsoever. And when it broke, I ended up having to downshift and cut lanes, and then went around the intersection, and I hit the grass, and when I hit the grass, I hit a bump in the grass, and it threw me from the bike. The bike went over on this side, and picked it up, found the piece in the middle of the road, and put the brake bar back together, and rode it to the show.
So you wrecked it, and rode it all the way here?
Yep.
You're gonna ride it home?
Yeah, actually.
And that is what makes you a biker?
Yeah, I guess.
Instagram is model_Angela T. And my business is Snazzy Suds Bikini Babes. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And we also have a whole bunch of fan pages. So always look for the link in our bio. And we'll see you soon.
Now for the disclaimer. SHOVELHEADFFEJ, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com is not responsible for...
Not available in 48 states.
SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com.
Yeehaw!